Hey guys, today, let's learn how to duet on YouTube Shorts. So if you guys want to go ahead and basically duet someone on the YouTube Shorts application on YouTube, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how. So please watch this video until the end. Find out how. Basically guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and tap on YouTube. Once you're already here, let's go on over to the Shorts option. And what we need to do next, once we're already onto the Shorts option, is to basically go ahead and tap on the Remix option right here. So when you tap on Remix, what does that actually do? As you see, we have this option called Cut This Video. That is the option that we want to go ahead and use. Well, this is actually two options. You can actually use it, cut this video, and just use a part of the video, and then follow it by your own video right after. Or to also green screen the video, which means that the video will play, and you are gonna be in the foreground, using the video as a green screen. So, whatever option you choose, that is gonna be up to you. Just go ahead and be creative with whatever you like. Basically, that is how you guys could duet a video on YouTube Shorts. And that's all for this video. Take a waste for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well. If you guys learned something, take care.